Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Hope you all are very fine. Today, um, first of all, you can see a screenshot on the screen. Today I found it in a Facebook group, which is posted by Mr. James, who is from Kuwait most probably, was asking for a favor, which is if the column E, you can see here, if the column E contains the word inactive, the whole row which is belong to this column be highlighted with color red, or we can see it in different way. Any row which is related to the word inactive in column E, any row which is related to the word inactive be highlighted with color red. Suppose you can see here in column E, row number 5, so the cell name is E5, which is contain the word inactive. So the gentleman Mr. James wants that the whole row, the row number 5, the whole row will be highlighted with color red. For this, I have made a mark sheet, a subject wise mark sheet. If you understand the work which we will done here, you can solve yours too. So let's go to the work. Here I want the column, the row which is related to the word failed be highlighted with color red. Any row which is related to failed, the whole row will be highlighted by color red. For this, we have to go to conditional formatting. We know in conditional formatting there is a formula for a certain cell. If I say that you make the cell highlighted with red or yellow, which is contain the word failed, you can easily do it. But here we are not working for any single cell. We will work for the entire row. So first of all, we select the whole area which is consist of our work. So select Alex. Now Control plus Shift down arrow, right arrow. I select all the field area which is consisted with my work. Now I will go to conditional formatting, new rule, and I will choose use a formula to determine which cell to format. Here I have to write a formula. which is, first of all, we know we need an equal sign to make any formula. The equal, and I have to choose the column. The column which is which will contain the column which contain the word failed. Here the column K is containing the word failed, so I choose the column K and I choose the right the first row. The name of the first row is 7. Here is a trick, which is I will give here a dollar sign. The dollar sign, we know the dollar sign make a cell, make a row or a column locked. Here the column K is locked. I make it locked, but I release the row. I will not give any dollar sign before 7, because the desired word which we want to make which we want to be highlighted, it can be anywhere. It can be anywhere in your entire sheet. So our formula will find the word from any row, but from column K. If your word, the word failed, if the word failed, suppose the column G will contain the word failed. Our formula, according to our formula, the failed which is contained by column G will not be highlighted. The formula will highlighted the word which is contained by column K. Double inverted comma. Here we input the word failed and again inverted comma. Now we will go for format red. Okay, the work is done. Let's see. Boom. I hope you will get it. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.